Morning guys and gals, Froggy here, my z06 2013, and gonna get ready for a race tomorrow. So I have got multiple things to do. I want to put a little more negative camber in the front, and I've got some tape that goes around the bottom there to put on, and change the wheels out, of course, for the race wheels. So that's about it. Let's go. Just a little quickie comparison here. I already loosened these up with a breaker bar, and these are 1/4 inch drive, cordless, and I just got some new Milwaukee tools, and that's my old Ryobi tools. So you should never try to get lug nuts off with 1/4 inch drive. Everybody knows that, right? But this is rated at 151 foot-pounds. This is 166 foot-pounds. So theoretically, they could do it, but don't do it. So we'll take these off with the Ryobi, and then the other side with the Milwaukee. I'm expecting them to be about the same, and because they're rated about the same, I'm just going to let the lug nuts fall because I don't have 3 hands. I only have 2 hands, and these are both set on the low. Let me make sure. Let's put it on the middle speed, or the middle power. Let's see. I'll show you how you do that. There, it's just that little button there, and on this, it's a little switch there. All right, so middle power. Here we go with the Ryobi. Get a couple little hammers. Remember, I told you that I already broke these all loose. Well, that one took a few hammers. And that one took quite a few. It's probably just because I loosened them up different amounts with the breaker bar. Now we'll go to the other side and we'll switch to the Milwaukee. Sorry, I had my finger in the way. Okay. Try to get my fingers out of the way this time because I'm right-handed. Let's see. Yeah, that's ready. So this is the Milwaukee on the middle setting. All right. One hammer. Maybe half a hammer, half a hammer, all right, so I'm going to call it pretty much the same, even though the Ryobi's an older tool, the Milwaukee's brand new. They both had full battery charge, and because the ratings are the same, I think they are about the same. I just thought I'd share that. I am going to hold off on doing that front alignment because I have a question on it, and I put it up on the Corvette forum, and I want to wait and get some feedback from a couple of guys that I trust on there. But I am going to put that protection, 3M protection tape on the rockers. That's this stuff right here. I already have some that, I had some in my toolbox, and I put it on there because that was actually getting sprayed from the front wheels, I think, because the front, which I wish they had a little lip here, the front they didn't put any lip to speak of. They put one up here, which I don't know, makes sense I guess, but they should have put one on the back too for spray, for gravel spray. Anyway, let's put those strips on down. Well, I needed 2 hands. Actually, I needed 3 or 4 hands to do this, but I'm going to describe how I put it on there. I just unrolled the roll. First, I cleaned everything with a mixture of purple power. That's 50-50 purple power and water. So clean that rocker up good. And then I rolled it out. I wet it good. You got to wet it. so that the material slides. If you need to slide it around, it slides. And then got it all lined up the way I wanted it. And then I started rolling it using that roller right there. That's just like a, some kind of a Michael's Art Supply roller thing. And now I got to finish that one end right there. It's not quite done yet. And then I'm going to cut it with a razor. I wrapped it around underneath, so this is 6 inches wide and it goes right underneath good. I just have to cut out where the jacking points are actually. So that's about it. And then it dries. The liquid evaporates or dries away or comes out through the material, and then it's semi-permanent. I did pull that piece right off there that I had, just like one spare piece I put down on the corner where I replaced it with the 6-inch wide roll, and it came off easy, didn't hurt the paint, so this is a good product, 3M. So that's about it. Since I didn't know what I was doing really, it came out alright. There's not that much to it, but like everything, there's some technique to it. Getting the bubbles out before they get captured. Like right there, there's one that got captured, and I can't really get it out, but that's okay. It's down low on the car. Really, the parts that are going to get sandblasted are all down low on the car, so if you don't do a perfect job, it's not bad. I might do the mirrors, because the mirrors sometimes will get a rock thrown up from the front wheels. And there's a lot of curve, though, to doing the mirrors. So we'll see how that comes out. I did find out one extra thing, and I'm going to pass that along to you. To activate the adhesive and to make the application a little less likely to slip around, instead of soapy water, some of the guys who install this use alcohol and water. So I'm going to make a mix of 50-50 alcohol water, and I've got a little extra piece here that I'm going to try sticking on the mirror, and just to play around with it and see how it comes out. Well, that looks like crap, but I'm going to leave it on there anyway. It'll protect. There is another company called PPG, their initials, so maybe they have more stretchy material. Anyway, Froggy will play around a little bit, and I will show you guys and gals what I end up with on the mirrors. The 3M is fine for the rocker panels. I think that what little bubbles I ended up with were my own technique and not a fault of the material. Okay, so I'm going to run with the mismatched wheels and tires, same as last month, and I'm still waiting for my Ford Star wheels to come in. I'm going to finish up with the rest of the fluid check on the car. You've seen that before. I'm not going to show that to you. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe, have fun. If you want notifications, click on the little bell next to subscribe. Okay? See ya. Wish me luck. Bye-bye.